Hi, this is Dave Quatello with Siemens. Today we're going to be discussing the Siemens residential offering and its value to you, with a feature on our load centers, our combination arc faults, and our surge protection. As you may have heard, Siemens now offers a dual line load center option. This allows you, the customer, a choice. Whether your decision is purely economical, Siemens has a solution with the ES Load Center. If you're looking for a more robust and feature-rich option, the PL series might be right up your alley. Keep in mind, however, though, that even though we're offering two separate load center lineups, only one type of breaker is required, which essentially means less cash laid out by you, less ordering on your behalf, and an easier way of managing inventory. Taking a look at some of the features and benefits, some to keep in mind: that the PL series load center does come with two factory installed ground bars. The ES is aluminum bus bar, while the PL is copper. Both load centers offer extended circuits, and the ES comes in a single carton, while the PL comes in carton packaging. When redesigning the single-phase load center option into the ES and PL, Siemens also took a look at our three-phase load center concept. And the purpose of that three-phase design was to streamline that design with our single-phase load center and to include some of the features that we had on the single-phase lineup. Some of those features include InstaWire, convertibility, and invertibility. One value-add product that Siemens offers in our load center lineup is our Gen-Ready load center. This is a 225 amp main lug load center that's convertible to a 150, 200, or 225 amp main breaker load center. It consists of two interiors. During normal utility power situations, both interiors are powered. If a field installed Siemens automatic transfer switch and a backfed breaker are installed, the lower interior can be turned into a critical circuit backup load center. When utility power is lost, the automatic transfer mechanism transfers power from the utility to the generator, and the critical circuits in the lower interior are powered. Using this type of load center allows the builder and contractor to pre-wire the home for a generator, which saves expensive retrofit costs down the road and keeps the initial upfront expenses to a minimum. And you can also feature the house as a Gen-Ready added value for builders and owners at resale. Now let's do a quick knowledge check-in on the load center products. Which of the following statements are false? Remember, you can choose more than one. Both load centers are invertible and convertible. Both get shipped carton and carton. Both come with factory installed ground bars. Or the ES is aluminum and the PL is copper. Take a minute and choose the statements that are false. Let's now talk about our combination arc fault offering. Per the 2008 NEC code, all circuits not GFI protected must be AFCI protected, with a few exceptions. Let's take a look at why the Siemens combination arc fault breaker is the best on the market. With our LED technology, you, the contractor, can easily diagnose the problem, which will save you some time and your customer some aggravation. So looking at the LEDs, if the top LED lights up, an arc fault has occurred. If all LEDs are illuminated, a line to ground arcing has occurred. And if no LEDs light up, a short circuit or an overload has occurred. So as you can see, the breaker visibly diagnoses the situation for you, which will save you, as well as the homeowner, time and money. Time for another knowledge check, this time on the combination arc fault breakers. Please match the occurrence that happens depending on the LED illumination. Now let's review the Siemens surge protection offering. As you know, unexpected voltage spikes, surges, and other electrical disturbances can ruin or damage your electrical devices. Because there's no single device that can protect an entire home or office against all electrical surges, really the best way to prevent damage is by implementing a systematic tiered surge protection plan that can monitor every possible incoming signal path and will help protect against power fluctuations, providing protection at the service entrance and at the point of use. Some of the offerings that Siemens has are our QSA 2020 SPD. And essentially, this works as a circuit breaker and surge protection device. And it can actually take the place of two Q120s. Our second device is our SPD for Home. This is actually installed outside the panel and offers LED indicators for easy diagnosis. Our SPD 4Tel assists with protection on hardwired telephones, faxes, modems, and DSL protection. And lastly, our SPD 4 Coax is rated for TV, DVD, and cable modem. Okay, last knowledge check, this time for surge protection. Can the QSA 2020 SPD take the place of two Q120s? True or false? So, why is Siemens the best option for your residential needs? First, we discussed our load center options. Regardless if you choose the economical ES or the feature-rich PL option, you're getting a best-in-class load center, with the added benefit of having only to stock one brand of breaker. Factor in the value of a Gen-ready home with our Gen-ready load center, and the options are limitless. Next, we moved on to the combination arc fault breaker. The LED indicators can not only assist in pinpointing and diagnosing what type of trip occurred, but it gives the homeowner the feeling of safety, as they will know that the breaker is doing its job. Finally, with the age of electronics comes the need to protect that high-end technology. The Siemens Surge Protection offerings is an invaluable addition to any home builder and or contractor's offering, as it provides a peace of mind to any homeowner who wishes to protect their valuables. So as you can see, Siemens has the answers for your residential needs. Siemens casts a wide net in terms of a solution-based offering. We ask you to contact your local Siemens authorized distributor and local Siemens sales engineer for more information. Thanks. Now we kindly ask you to take a 3-question survey. Did you find this type of learning useful? Yes or no? Which of these topics would you like more information on? The ES and PL load center, the combination arc fault breakers, or our surge protection offering? Which products would you like similar training on? Feel free to choose more than one. Modular metering, generators, safety switches, unassembled panel boards, or 3-phase load centers.